Good morning guys, in front of me is VIVO Y21s and let me show you how to activate developer options. At first, enroll the list of all apps and go to settings. Scroll down, go to about phone. Here locate software information, find build number and tap on it 7 times. Then draw your unlock pattern. And as you can see, you unlock developer options. So now we can go back to system. And at the bottom of system list, you will find developer options now. Just go through all of them, use whichever you want. And then whenever you want to hide developer panel again, just unmark the stop switcher. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.